Are you ready to turn your free time into a gold mine?
Really? Finance YouTubers claim you can make $300 a day by only using Google. So I had to try every step in this video by Odetta Rockhead-Kerr. Here's how much money I actually made. But that's for the end of the video. Let's start with step number 1.
Now, the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to google.com.
I have not seen this video yet, so this is my live reaction. I have not tried this yet. So I'm going to google.com. Oh, that is google.com.
When you get to google.com, just type Google News in the search tab and hit enter.
Type Google News in the search tab, Google News. I guess it's this one.
You're gonna select topics that are popular or topics that are trending or topics that grab your attention.
So let me go find my own news article. Business. US, let's see what's trending. Let's see, Dario Vasquez, I have no idea who that is. Biden, I don't know who that is.
For this video, we're gonna zone in on business and health topics.
Health. Where's health? There's no health. Oh, there's health. Oh, this one looks interesting. 5 minutes a day to lower blood pressure. We're gonna pick this article. I wonder if that's really true.
After selecting your article, it's time to move to the next step. Let's hop over to Spinbot, and the link will be in the description below.
Okay, so we go to spinbot.com. So I'm guessing we just select the article. There's so many junk ads here to get rid of.
Now, Spinbot is a free article spinner or text writing tool. Spinbot will allow you to avoid plagiarism.
I think it's plagiarism. Let me copy my article. Where is it? Let's get the rest, but the ads, these ads getting on my nerve. I wonder if you're only allowed to do a certain number of words. I don't know, but we'll find out. Copy, paste, and then spin it, spin it, spin it. So my text is 6,048 words. Wow.
You need to ensure that you review the final article, and if you want to personalize it, you can do so as well.
The original text said, recent research indicates that even small increases in physical activity, such as 5 minutes of uphill walking or stair climbing daily, can significantly lower blood pressure. Now let's see the new text from Spinbot. Ongoing exploration demonstrates that even little expansions in actual work, for example 5 minutes of uphill strolling, can altogether bring down blood pressure. Not bad, but I don't know how that's gonna make me money, but let's find out. $300 a day, child? We gotta find out.
No plagiarism flags here.
Plagiarism?
Now, I know some of you may be thinking,
that doesn't sound right, Odetta. Isn't that copying people's content and reusing it?
Yeah, I don't know if it's plagiarism or not. There's a fine line here. Generally, no, but it's the same article. Really, the same news report. But technically, it's not plagiarism. I don't think. So we're good.
Now, with your freshly spun article, you're ready to make some money. And what I'll be doing is sharing different platforms where you can post these articles and make not peanuts, but good money.
Okay, so that's good. She's gonna tell us where to post that, because I'm starting to get anxious. Like, when are we gonna start making money already?
Now, to make $300 per day, depending on the platform that you choose to post on, you may need to post 1, maybe 2 articles, 3 at most.
Okay, 1 to 3 articles per day. It took me half an hour to find an article, read through it, put it into Spinbot, put my own spin on it. So let's see.
Now, the first place that you can post your articles will pay you anywhere from $100 to as much as $500 per article. And this is .dash.com.
So let's go to .dash. Never heard of them. And what do I look for here? Okay, I can't even tell what is .dash. What do they do? Looks like different magazines. Let's go to about, because I have no idea what this is. Advertising, maybe? What, careers? 200 million people every month. Not bad. But these are for jobs. I can't figure out where to post the article. I guess it's not so easy after all, but that's just the first website. So let's close this. Let's go back to the video and see what's the next site.
The second place is thepennyhoarder.com, and this will pay you anywhere from $75 to $100 per article.
Thepennyhoarder.com. Oops, sorry, I have been blocked. Why? The website is using a security service to protect itself from online attacks. The action you just performed triggered a security solution. Okay, I'm gonna try it one more time. Thepennyhoarder.com. Oh, okay, so sorry, I've been blocked. I guess they don't want me coming to their site. What can I do? Let's move to the next place where I can post my article. I need $300.
The traveling writer will pay you $50 to $200 for articles related to travel.
Okay, so my article is not related to travel. So, but I'm just curious, the traveling writer. I'm curious to know how are they gonna pay? Okay, there's nothing here except to contact Ronnie. Let's see if this is the right website. Let's double check.
The traveling writer.
How to order your travel writer. Email Ronnie for chats. Make payments. I'm not ordering a traveling writer. I want to write for the travel writer. I don't want to see pictures. I want to know how can I post my article to make $300. All right. I don't know. Let's move to the next one.
Wow Women on Writing pays anywhere from $50 to $100 for articles aimed at supporting and providing opportunities for female writers.
Okay, I'm going to Wow Women on Writing. Let's see what this is about. There it is. Make money as a freelancer. Wow, that's a pretty long something, whatever that is. So far, none of these websites have shown me anywhere where I can sign up to submit my article so I can get paid. Okay, this looks so 80s. But then what is the likelihood of someone finding these articles? Here, this one says copyright 2000 to 2005. So that is ages ago. I think that may have been years ago they were accepting articles, but currently I don't see anywhere. This website is already so untidy. I mean, who's coming on here to read articles anyways? I wonder, how does Odetta even find these websites? Yeah, no. Next.
International Living pays $75 to $400 per article.
My article is not about traveling, but let's just check it out. All I want to see is how do we send an article for you, International Living? Can you show me that? Personalized guide to overseas opportunity. Oh, interesting. Maybe I'll bookmark this website because I might want to read this. Although it doesn't show me anything about getting paid for an article, but there's some useful information here. Next.
Now, if you're willing to write articles on web design, coding, and related topics, A List Apart will pay you $200 to $300 US per article.
A List Apart. So there's a link saying write for us. Let's see if it's still there. There it is, write for us. We're always looking for new authors, okay? We'll be honest, writing for ALA takes work. I thought it was easy. We want your article to be at its best. We'll push you to get there. Once accepted, so there is an amount of work involved. Then you have to be accepted. So you don't just get paid, grab an article, spin bot it, and then get paid. Keep in mind that we only accept original content. So I think grabbing something from Spinbot or from Google News might not be original, even if you flip the words around, but I will send them an email to find out. Be bold, interesting, and human. Click AI. If you're interested in that kind of writing, then you can take a look, but I'll pass.
The next platform where you can post your articles, and in this case, make $50 to $150 per article that speaks to culture, environment, and social issues, is strongwhisper.com.
Let's go to Strong Whispers. Let's see what that is about. Okay, so far kind of weird. There it is. Get paid to write articles. Let's see. Ooh, get paid to write articles. We are currently accepting applications for articles related to working online over at another site in our portfolio. What? The Strong Whispers writing program is temporarily suspended while we redesign and migrate the website. Okay, good, because this website needs to be redesigned. Article fees are negotiable. Fee'(S). That's a typo. We aim to publish 2 to 3 guest posts per month. 2 to 3. What are my chances of getting in? Remember, it's an old video, so that's the problem doing those reviews. Information changes. The YouTube video is an older video, so that could be why, although I doubt it. But let's give the creator the benefit of the doubt. That could be why this information here is different somewhat, but I doubt it. I am gonna have to email them to get some more info. Ooh, and my battery's going low, so let me hurry up with this video.
Now, Dollar Stretcher will pay you 10 cents per word, but believe me, this does add up.
Oh, that one's right up my lane. Let's check out the Dollar Stretcher. The Dollar Stretcher. 4 ways to get paid for your hobby. That's not what I want. I'm looking for the Write for Us link. Okay, quite interesting. I don't see anything here, and I've been searching this website for over 15 minutes. Okay, there it is. The Dollar Stretcher is not accepting submissions at this time. Okay, so all my hopes are dashed. Next.
Now, writersweekly.com will pay $60 per article related to writing, publishing, and freelance work.
Did you hear that, guys? $60 per article. Let's check it out. Writersweekly.com. I hate messy websites. I just can't stay on a messy website. And I'm not sure I want to write for you and put my article on here because nobody's going to see it. Write for us. Okay, it is Write for Us. Let's see. Okay. So they have a writing contest, which I'm not interested. Okay, each year, all year long, we purchase articles distributed to thousands of freelance writers. Okay, so they do not publish articles on how to write. I wonder why. This is giving me a headache. Oh. A lot of requirements, a lot of stipulations that you have to meet. I don't know if I can do this. Oh, I don't know if I'm ready for this, but I'm gonna give it a try. So at $60 for 600 words, 10 cents per word, right? Is that what it is? My math is not mathing. Yeah, at 600 words. Okay, so you get 10 cents per word. Whoop-de-doo.
Photoshop tutorials will pay as much as $300 with a minimum of $25 per accepted article that's written on Photoshop tutorials and techniques.
Okay, Photoshop tutorials. How much are they gonna pay and what kind of articles are they looking for? Okay, where do I see the Write for Me feature? It is Write for Us. There it is. So that is if I am a Photoshop user and I want to educate Photoshop users, I would use that. So that does not apply to me because I don't know a thing about Photoshop. Goodbye.
Income Diary will pay $50 to $200 per accepted article.
IncomeDiary.com. There it is. Now I want to find Write for Us. That's all I care about. Okay, Write for Income Diary. Perfect. So they were launched back in 2009. Interesting. Before submitting your article, write in question. What? These include example of previous writing on SEO budget, $150 to $300. Okay, not bad. We have high standards. Okay, Income Diary. If you don't feel you can meet those standards, please do not apply. I wonder if the Spinbot meets those standards. So I've been testing out those websites for over an hour now, and I know the video said I could do one article per hour.
You could be posting an article per hour.
So far, I haven't been able to submit any articles yet because, of course, it's going to take some time to do the research. Oh, look at this. It says your post must be original, no spun content. And that is what Odetta is recommending that we do. Spin content and drop it in here. It's not gonna work. It must be because too many people have already submitted spun content in the past. So they have restricted spin-offs. So it's not gonna work. That's a bummer. Let's go to the next one.
And tootsplus.com pays $50 to $500 per accepted article.
Tootsplus.com. I guess this is just tutorials. I'm looking for Write for Us. I don't see anything about writing. I'm lost here. I need to eat some chips because I need some energy. This is seriously a lot of work. I don't see anywhere I can write for them, so next website.
The Sun magazine is a literary magazine that pays writers for personal essays, interviews, and fiction, and writers can make up to $2,000 for their work.
The Sun, I can't spell, magazine. Why does that look familiar? The Sun magazine. Now you'd really have to be a writer to write for a magazine. I mean, you really have to love writing. This is not just anybody who can grab an article, spin off. Interesting. We're looking for essays that seek to understand the world from a fresh perspective. If someone likes writing, I guess that would be good for them. But I don't think getting an article and spinning it in Spinbot is gonna work for this. Next.
Now, ProBlogger is a very popular platform for freelance writing jobs, and it offers an opportunity for you to submit articles on a wide range of topics that include health-related ones.
Oh, I've heard of ProBlogger. That's gonna be a super long video. I've heard about them years ago. Tell me more. So it looks like it is for professional bloggers and not for Spinbot AI articles you get from Google. Okay, I can't see anything on here saying Write for Us. You want to write for ProBlogger. So I don't know if this is no longer an option or you're gonna have to contact. I don't know. And I've been here testing out websites so long. The sun is already setting, if you can see. Okay, let's move to the next one.
ShortStack is another platform, and this one is available and accessible across the globe, and it also provides you an opportunity to submit art in many different niches or categories.
Art. Did you say submit art? Short Stack. I've heard about that one, but I've never heard that they would pay people to write for them. So maybe that's new or that's old. Build viral contests and giveaways in minutes. Okay. There's no option for writing. Did she really say Short Stack? Couldn't be.
Short Stack is another platform.
Next, let's go to the next one.
The last one is Skyward, and this one is ideal for freelancers who want to write about a myriad of things.
Let's go to skyward.com. Okay, there it is. It's pioneering a world in which storytelling is a primary tool brands use to lead. Is there a write for us option? I don't see that in there. I'm guessing they no longer pay writers to post content on their site. That's a no. Let's check out the comments to see what people are saying. Did they even check out the websites? I'm favored. I'm blessed. 27K every week. Yeah, these are scammers. Why am I even reading this? I'm just looking to see if anyone tried it. I'm pretty sure you will find zero. Nobody tries this. Yeah, nobody's crazy enough like me to try this. But let's check out the end of the video. What else is there?
That's it. Pretty, free, and easy way to earn on Google.
Did you say pretty? Free? Maybe, because you're not spending any money to do this, but you're spending hours, a lot of time, sweat, easy. I highly think not. This is not any easy work, because you do have to read the guidelines, because some of the websites have some pretty high standards and they will not accept AI spun content. And that's a bummer, because I really wanted to use this AI spin bot to spin my way to $300 a day, $9,000 a month. While this was a great video and all, I don't perceive that it's gonna make me the amount of money that the video suggested.
$9,000 in a month.
Of course, you can press your luck, but so far I've been here a few hours. As a viewer, you need to do your own research, even while watching my videos, especially during this video right here where I tried websites rich people literally give away free money.